Hey evil Elmo, we are going on an airplane. I want you on your best au revoir. Understand?
Yes, Elmo. Ooby, are we there yet?
No, evil Elmo. We're not.
How about now?
O-M-G. We're not evil Elmo.
HMM, how about now?
No, evil Elmo. We are not even there yet. You ask me one more time. You're in deep trouble.
UHHHH. Are we there now?
Oh my god, evil Elmo. How dare you disrupt the flyer while he is flying the airplane. That's it. We are going home now.
Now go to your room now and sleep forever.
This is Evil Elmo Week. Keep requesting. See you guys next time.